With increasing advancements in artificial intelligence, you can animate any image within seconds without having any prior experience. Today, I have brought you 5 of the best tools that you can use to animate your photos. So let me show you all these tools using them, so that you can understand them easily. But before that, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's free to you, but it will help me create more useful tutorials in the future. RunwayML is an excellent free tool for animating images. You have to create an account to using this tool. After clicking on the link given in the description, you will go to this page. Now click the Image to Video portion. From here, upload the image you want to animate. Click the Generate button to start the animation process. It will take 1 minute or so. The animation is ready. I will show you by playing it. Since it only creates a 4 seconds video, we have to click on the Extend button above to extend it by another 4 seconds. We can do this process 4 times to create a 16 seconds video. Click the Download button to download the video. This is one of my favorite tools on the list. It's completely free and easy to use, and you can control your animation outputs. First of all, join the Discord server through the invite. Then go to one of these generate channels to start generating your animation. Here type /create. Click here plus one more button and then click on Image button to upload your image. Type your prompt and hit enter. In a short time, it will generate the animation for you. Let me play and show you. HeyJen is a freemium AI tool. You get 1 minute free when you sign up. It makes talking AI avatars, from realistic AI to anime and cartoon characters. First, click Sign In button and enter your email. After logging in, click the Upload Talking Photo button and upload the photo you want to animate. When your photo is uploaded, click on it and select Edit Avatar. Select Original in View mode. Now click on Create Video button and select Landscape for YouTube videos. Click the Talking Photo button and select the photo. Here you will paste your text script. From here you can choose the voice you want. Click Submit when you're done. In a short time, it will generate the animation for you.
Hi, I am Talking AI Avatar. This video is created by HeyJen. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.
Download the final result to your device. It's an amazing tool, but you can only generate 2 videos for free, since each video consumes 0.5 credit. You can refer a friend and get up to 10 free credits a month when someone successfully signs up and makes their first video though. The fourth in this list is DID, which is another talking AI avatar generator. Click the Create Video button and upload your photo. After uploading, paste your script or upload your voiceover file. Select your preferred language and then select your preferred voice. Click Generate Video button. Here is the final result.
Hi, I am Talking AI Avatar. This video is created by DID. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.
It is an excellent tool to animate your still photos. Hit the download button to download the video. The fifth and the last one in this list is Capcut. Although it's not an AI tool, but this technique gets used a lot and it's really cool. First, you need to download the phone app. Click the New Project button. Then upload your photos which you want to animate. Select the photo and tap on Style button. Select Motion and then select 3D Zoom or 3D Zoom Pro. This has been a trend for a while. If you use this style on the right images, it looks awesome. I am applying this style to all 3 photos one by one. Click the download button and save it in your device. Here is the final result. After watching this tutorial, I hope you'll be able to create some cool animations. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.